So you just bought yourself a brand new Roush Supercharger, installed it on your Mustang, and now it has 810 horsepower. Well, we're gonna have to show that off to our buddies by doing a burnout, right? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. First things first, you're gonna wanna turn off the traction control. To do that, we're gonna hold down this button until the dash says Advanced Track Disabled. Next thing we're gonna wanna do is make sure that we're in track mode and that everything is turned off. Next thing we're gonna do on the dash here is go into our track apps and turn on line lock. We're gonna hold the OK to initialize. Then it's gonna ask me to firmly apply the brake and hold. Now I push OK again, and it will engage the line lock. We do our burnout in the next 15 seconds. So put it in gear, dump that clutch, let it go.